The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Sussex County in southern Delaware until 7:45 a.m. At 7:20 a.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Dagsboro, or 11 miles southeast of Georgetown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Millsboro, Dagsboro, Millville, Long Neck, Ocean View, Frankfort, and South Bethany. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.